Welcome to our step-by-step guide for CargoX. Let's embark on this journey together. First, begin by registering your company. Navigate to the registration page on the CargoX platform. You'll need to enter essential details about your company, such as its name, address, and VAT number. It's a simple process designed to get you started quickly and securely. After your company registration, it's time to create a user account. Here, you'll provide user-specific information to personalize your experience. Submit your information, and shortly after, you'll receive a verification code. This code confirms your email and secures your account. Next, you'll be guided through the clauses and guidelines. Please read them carefully. Enter your company's name, address, and your data protection officer's name. Then accept to finalize your registration. You're now registered. The next step is creating your blockchain key. A pop-up will appear with easy-to-follow steps. After completing these steps, give a little time for your blockchain key to be recorded on the blockchain. Meanwhile, you can explore your account dashboard and see what's available to you. With your special ACID number and blockchain key in hand, you're ready to create your ACID certificate. Click on Compose to start. Select the Egypt ACI envelope and upload the required documents. You will need the bill of lading, commercial invoice in both PDF and Excel formats, packing list, and the certificate of origin. The system will check your documents for completeness. Once everything is in order, you can submit your draft for approval. You're all set for the most part. For any questions or if you need a free consultation, reach out to us at GetCTN.com. Thank you for watching.